There it is,
Is that really the moon?
in all its glory.
Where do we land?
I'm not sure. The craft is flying itself.
I don't think it's slowing down.
That doesn't seem good. Good thing no one was hurt. Welcome to Cryptid City, a city like no other on Earth, because it's on the moon.
It's kind of horrifying that we're so far from home.
Don't worry about that. We have bigger problems to deal with.
Jersey, this is my friend, Petal the Alien. He's the reason we're here.
I sent the ship to pick you guys up because I need your help. Where did you park it?
About that.
I was still making payments on it. Either way, I need your help. The glitter factory is choking the city.
Is that why it's so shiny?
The glitter is in everything. The ground, the air.
Some of us think it's making its way into the food and into us. The whole factory is run by an AI, so all we need is to turn off the computer.
Let's try to get inside.
I think I can open the door.
Empty suits, they've breached the factory. Get them!
That doesn't seem good.
Run!
Ah! I think we're trapped.
We have one last option. We need some backup. Help us, Muffler Man.
What seems to be the problem?
We were going to shut down the glitter factory, and now that bearded guy and his goons are chasing us.
Ah, yes, the AI god. You can't fight the future, Muffler Man.
I was planning on beating the future senseless.
That does seem good. Elon Musk!
And I would have gotten away with it if it wasn't for you meddling cryptids.